Hey, today, let's talk about today. Okay. Today has been a good day. Work was pretty good. We have a new guy that I always had issues with. Turns out he has a criminal record, so we can't have him in our work queue because we work at churches and things like that. So that's interesting. So he's out of the question. Other than that, not really a lot happened. Yeah, I can't really think of much. Not really a lot has happened. I probably shouldn't even have said that. I think I might make this video private. Nah. I mean, it's fine. He didn't say his name. Even I won't know who he is later. I paid off my body kit just now. That was $500 left that I paid off. I'm an idiot. I'm just going to go and buy this. It's $180 and I'm stupid. But I'm going to do it because I'm stupid. I don't know. I don't have a... Nice. I bought it. She's mine. I hope that game's worth $180. Fucking hell. You know? Jesus. I haven't bought a game for a while, so I don't feel too bad. Like, I haven't even bought Star Wars Jedi Survivor 2 or whatever the hell it's called, and I really like Star Wars, so nice. Yeah, look, I don't really have a lot to talk about. Not today. I saw my work colleague's wife for the first time. She's a good woman. I was just stupid and silly and flirtatious with her. She had a few laughs. But, yeah, today's been a normal day. Still sick. Still feel like crap. But, it is what it is. I should recover hopefully soon. Whoop. You have enough for $10. Yeah. Let's go on. Get $10 for free. Spend $180 and get $10 for free. Whoop whoop. Anyway, let's have a look at the fence that's just been installed at our house. I haven't even seen it yet, so when I was home they were installing it. Oh, there is definitely a fence. Check that out. It's a bit hard to see. I cannot. Oh shit, it goes all the way down there. All the way, does it stop at the fence? Man, I should have done this in the daytime. Yeah, that's a good looking fence, my man. I like it. It looks nice. Actually does the garden wonders. Because yeah, you can't see the ugly bloody footpath anymore. Where the cars keep bloody parking, tearing up our grass. That looks nice, looks very nice. Oh, we got a fancy mailbox now as well. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Look at that mailbox. Okay. Well, that's it. I guess I'll go. I should have not bought that bloody Lego game, but oh well, I did what I did. Anyway, goodbye.